Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Coral Gables local and long distance movers near me. No matter the type of long distance moving services you need, we offer just what you need. Our team is ready to help you get from your current location to your new location, no matter how far the move will be. Here are some of the services we can offer for you: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring Florida moving companies in Coral Gables can be difficult to justify at first. However, when you compare the cost to the many benefits you'll gain, it becomes easier to see why so many people hire local movers in Coral Gables. You'll gain the experience of professionals that handle moving every single day. It will save you time and ensure your belongings arrive at your new home safely. A professional moving company like 3 Movers makes the entire process of moving to your new home much easier and faster. It could take you a few days or even a week to move all your things. We can have you completely moved in just a few hours, letting you get settled in much faster. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Coral Gables moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.